building cocktails, if you have a very long drink ticket, you can also pre-prep some of those drinks without adding ice. So this will help ensure that some of your easier drinks that you maybe made that rum and coke aren't just melting the ice and then diluting the drink, causing the guest to get an unfavorable cocktail. So something that I like to do is when I'm building my drinks, I start with the alcohol first. One that ensures that if you happen to accidentally pour the wrong alcohol, the whole drink isn't made. You can put that aside and we can still use it for a different time. But we start with the alcohol first, build into the mixers, and then you can garnish it and set it aside. You know your recipes and you know your counts, then you know how much ice is gonna fill that drink to perfection. So then you can set that partially completed drink aside, finish the rest that you're doing. So the final thing you could do is throw in that ice into those drinks, mixing it and then also creating a perfect ready to drink cocktail.